Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your smart TV has sound but no picture or strange lines on the screen, do not panic yet. In the next 10 seconds, I will help you identify whether the problem is the TCON board or something else. As a technician, this is one of the most common and most misunderstood TV faults I see in real life. First, let us understand what a TCON board is. TCON means timing control board. It sits between the main board and the display panel. Its job is to send correct timing, voltage, and data signals to the panel. If this board fails, the panel cannot display the image properly, even if the TV is powered on. Now let me explain the confirmed symptoms of TCON board failure. The TV turns on, backlight is visible, but the screen stays black. You may see vertical lines, horizontal lines, or half of the screen missing. Sometimes the picture is white, gray, or extremely washed out. In many cases, the image appears for a few seconds, then disappears. Sound works normally, remote responds, but picture is unstable. These symptoms are verified across repair forms, service manuals, and technician feedback. Before blaming the TCON board, always perform basic checks. Disconnect power, wait 10 minutes, then restart the TV. Change HDMI input and test with another source device. If the on-screen menu does not appear at all, it confirms a display signal problem. Now let us move to workable solutions. First, remove the back cover carefully and locate the TCON board. It is usually covered by a metal shield and connected to the panel with flat ribbon cables. Reseat all ribbon cables gently and evenly. Oxidation or loose connection is a very common cause. Clean the cable contacts using isopropyl alcohol and let them dry fully. Next, check for overheating signs. Burn marks, discolored areas, or shorted surface components indicate board failure. If the TV shows half picture, try disconnecting one panel ribbon at a time. If one side shows stable image, the TCON or panel side driver is confirmed faulty. If reseating does not work, TCON board replacement is the only reliable fix. Never attempt voltage modification unless you have service data. Wrong voltage can permanently damage the display panel. Final technician advice: always match the exact TCON board model number. Do not rely only on TV brand or screen size. TCON problems are fixable, but panel damage is not. This is Tech Vibes. If this guide helped you, subscribe for real technician level troubleshooting every week.